Securing your file transfer in the cloud by Stuart Lisk, SR Produce Manager, has HubSpam Inch. File transfer has been around since the beginning of time. Okay, well, maybe that is the exciting, but the point in is file transfer was one of the earliest uses of network computing data dating backup in the early 1970s when IBM introduced the floppy disk. While we have been sharing files with each other for age, the security of data shared is often questionable. Despite File Transfer Protocol (FTP) being published in 1971, it took until the mid 18th for system to catch up the original vision of FTP. As LANs were beginning to find their way into the business environment. During this time period, transferring files internally became easier, and the ability to move file externally by leveraging the client server typology eliminate and the here the disk approach. If you think about it, these were pretty confined environment with other client and server having a true relationship. Securing the file in a scenario had more to do with making sure that no on cloud access to the data as of worrying about protecting the transport itself. Centralized control and access was the way to world back in these good old days. Fast forward to the proliferation of the internet and the world wide web, the concern of securing file while its consistency to its location then become a top mind. IT manager were ultimately connected that anyone within a company could log on the via the web and access a self-service cloud-based file transfer application without IT knowledge. Additional to the increased security risk of the technology, performing file transfer over the internet via the cloud has provided major benefit over the traditional method. In fact, we have seen that the ability to quickly deploy and prevention file transfer activities actually drive more people to the cloud. However, along with the quick onboarding of companies or individual come challenges and ensuring secure connectivity, manage access, reporting, and adaptability and compliance.